Positive energy inspires and ignites the energy and passion in people to help solve problems and add value to any organisation. Our core values are integrity, collaboration, customer needs first, passion and care. Positive Energy Unlimited is a professional services one-stop shop. At Positive Energy Unlimited, we offer the following services. Consultancy. We help solve problems by reviewing your systems, processes, and your people. Career coaching. We help individuals build their personal brand, resume, and LinkedIn profile, and we have partnerships with recruitment agencies. Building capability. We offer different formats of learning solutions, blended learning workshop solutions, video conferencing, and audio podcasts. Relocation Mobility. We offer services to assist you in making your immigration to Australia seamless. Entrepreneurship. We assist individuals in bringing their ideas to life, from ideation to strategy to execution. Life Skills Coaching. We offer life skills coaching on topics like conflict resolution, positive mindset, diversity, resilience, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle balance. Lead generation and business development services. Our lead generators are the hunters, and our business development team are the farmers. We help businesses to scale and increase their portfolio of clients substantially. Travel and tourism. We offer travel and tourism solutions across New Zealand, Cook Islands, Bali, Australia, and South Africa. We offer you the ultimate vacation experience and much needed rest and relaxation. We have a highly skilled team across various skills that are highly engaged and motivated to ensure quality partnerships and results. Invest in success. If you wish to learn more, visit www.positiveenergyunlimited.com.au and leave a message on our Contact Us page. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and be positively inspired.